Hey there, aspiring YouTubers. Want to know the best niches to start a successful faceless YouTube channel in 2024? You're in the right place. Whether you want to avoid being on camera or just prefer voiceover tutorials, I've got 6 booming niches for you that'll help you grow quickly and make money. So, let's dive right in. First up, we have AI tools and tutorials. AI is everywhere right now, and it's only going to grow in the next decade. Channels like these are booming, with thousands of subscribers and only a handful of videos. Most of them are based in premium countries like the US and UK. These creators focus on the latest AI tools, whether it's testing beta versions, offering full trial reviews, or giving honest feedback. They're building trust with their audiences. The best part? These channels are super easy to make. You don't even need to show your face. Just screen record your tutorials and you're good to go. Plus, the RPM in this niche is great, and you can easily land sponsorships and brand deals, especially as new AI tools hit the market daily. With the AI boom expected to continue for the next 10 years, starting a channel in this niche could really set you up for success. Niche number 2 is similar: AI for solopreneurs and small businesses. If you've ever run a one-man army business or know someone who has, you'll understand the need for automation. AI can help solve a ton of problems, from email marketing to content scheduling and even workflow automation. This niche is exploding in countries like the US, UK, and Australia because small businesses can't afford to hire for every task, so they rely on AI to help them stay competitive. You can create a dedicated channel to show how AI tools can solve business problems. And trust me, there's a lot of growth potential here. Next up, we have a niche that's massively popular in premium countries like the US, UK, and Canada: sustainable living and vegan lifestyle. While it's not as big in places like India, Bangladesh, or Nepal, this niche is catching fire in wealthier nations. More and more people are turning vegan and adopting sustainable living habits, especially after COVID. Channels in this space cover topics like zero-waste hacks, eco-friendly products, and vegan meal ideas. And the great news? This niche is far from saturated, so if you want to grow fast, this could be the one for you. Niche number 4, travel. But wait, I'm not talking about those typical touristy travel vlogs. No, I'm talking about unique and offbeat travel destinations, hidden gems that most people don't know about. Look at these channels that focus on van life, road trips through challenging terrains, or traveling to breathtakingly beautiful places that are still under the radar. There's so much room for creativity here, and you can film faceless content by capturing stunning landscapes. Best of all, this niche has one of the highest RPMs on YouTube, so it's profitable too. Niche number 5 is a personal favorite: self-care and mental health. In today's stressful world, content that focuses on relaxation, motivation, and mental wellness is in huge demand, especially in premium countries like the US and UK. You can create 100% faceless content around topics like self-care tips, how to cope with depression, and stress management. Look at these channels that have hit millions of subscribers with fewer than 100 videos. People need mental wellness tips more than ever, and your channel could provide that much-needed help. Finally, niche number 6, online business case studies. If you love reading about successful businesses and entrepreneurs, this could be the niche for you. Channels in this space focus on how certain companies became successful, why some failed, and what strategies they used to grow. This niche is growing fast, especially with new startups launching every day. Not all of them make it, so there's a lot of interest in learning from others' mistakes. Plus, this niche has a super high RPM, meaning it can be really profitable. So, there you have it, 6 faceless niches you can dive into in 2024. Each one of these has incredible growth potential, and the best part, you don't even need to show your face to be successful. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on growing your YouTube channel. Let me know in the comments which niche you're most excited about, and I'll see you in the next video.